imagine that you are taking a deep breath and then jumping into a pool of water. You stay underwater for several seconds and then come up for air. You'll notice that you will be gasping for breath. This is not because you have run out of oxygen. This is because your body senses that there is way too much carbon dioxide accumulated in your blood. So it is the high levels of carbon dioxide in blood that induces your respiratory muscles to increase ventilation. So let's see how that happens. When the levels of carbon dioxide in blood go up, it activates chemoreceptors in the aorta and the common carotid artery. When these are activated, they in turn stimulate the medulla oblongata and the pons in the brainstem. Once these are activated, they in turn activate respiratory muscles such as the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles in your rib cage. These muscles increase ventilation, which brings carbon dioxide levels down and back to normal. At the same time, when the carbon dioxide levels increase, it also increases the hydrogen ion concentration in blood. In other words, your blood becomes more acidic. Your pH goes down. This drop in pH can be sensed by the medulla oblongata and pons directly, bringing about the same changes in the respiratory muscles, increase in ventilation, and lowering of carbon dioxide levels back to normal.